My role in this office is I'm the Director of Pre-Health Advising, so I work with any student who might be interested in pursuing health careers or who might be exploring health careers. I also run a lot of different programs for students who want to pursue health professional school. We have a Pre-Health Per Mentor program. I run an internship called the Health Equities Fellows program, as well as a clinical internship at Scripps Mercy Hospital. If you were a person who wanted to become a physician, I am a good person to talk to because I can help you kind of create a plan, go over the prerequisites for whatever intended schools you want to apply to. When the time comes to actually apply, there are a lot of kind of moving pieces for the applications to health professional school. So I provide a lot of one-on-one application support to really help students kind of polish their applications, their personal statements, make sure their letters of recommendation are in order. We obviously work closely with Career Development Center as well. So we really see this as a space. You come in, you get your questions answered, you can hang out here. I think the college academic district in particular is important because it's really intended for College of Arts and Sciences students, majors in particular, but also any student and all of our students who are taking liberal arts courses.